Hello everyone, I'm here with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw 1 point perspective for this drawn plan. Actually I'll show you 1 point perspective interior. As you can see, here I have drawn a plan, part of the plan. Actually this is the window and this is the door. Picture plane is here with the last wall or the wall which is behind. Station point is almost in the middle, and horizon line or the eye level is above the ground line. I have drawn one front elevation. It means you can see actually this wall. So you are here, and this door I have just marked here. Actually the wall thicknesses I didn't mark in the elevation, but you can see I have drawn it here. Well, let's start how to do it. First of all, you know that as the first step, what we have to find, we have to find the vanishing point. Here we will have only one vanishing point since this is 1 point perspective. So we have to find our vanishing point. How to find it? Since my station point is here and I'm looking at this this wall, so let me mark the vanishing point straight to the station point on the horizon line. So here will be the vanishing point. Well, since you can see this is a part of the plan showing the interior, so this will be my left wall, this will be my right wall, and this is the wall which is I am facing. Well, first of all we have to mark the walls, left wall, right wall, as well as the front wall. How to find it? You can see the picture plane is along with this line. You know, when we mark the actual heights, always we have to mark with the picture plane. All right, try to find this wall edge as well as this wall edge. What can I do? So I'll draw a line from the station point to this corner. So it's touching with the picture plane, it intersects the picture plane here. So I'll bring it down. So it's over here. Same thing for the left side. Let's connect. When it intersects with the picture plane, bring it straight down. All right, so I found my left side and the right side. So how to mark the height? We know that as per this elevation, this is the wall height. I'll mark the true wall height or the actual wall height of this wall from the elevation. All right then. It intersects on this point as well as this point. Now I found this wall, which is the behind. So this edge and this edge, it's here. Well, now we have to find this wall as well as this wall. It means we have to find this wall edge and this wall edge. How to find it? I will draw a line from the vanishing point through the upper point. I'll extend little more as well as through the lower point. Same thing for the left. All right, So I found left side this wall direction as well as right side this wall direction, and the ceiling as well as the floor. Well, since our picture plane is here, you can see picture plane is not along with this wall edge. It's more far away, more behind. If you remember in 2-point perspective, if the picture plane is going more far away from the station point, our object was larger than normal one. So in this case also, since the picture plane is bit far away from the station point compared to this line, so it's far away. If I draw a line from here, this picture plane is far away from here. So what we can guess, our view should be, interior perspective view should be bigger than the normal one. It means if we have a picture plane here, it should be same size. If the picture plane is going far away, it means the perspective view should be bigger. Okay, to find this edge, what I have to do, because I already found the two sides, but I don't know these two edges. We have to draw a line through this point up to the picture plane. Always up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, we will bring it straight down. The same procedure, same method how we did for the 2-point perspective. So it's over here. Let's do the same thing for the left side. So through this point, I'll draw a line up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, I'll drop it straight down. Make sure to draw everything precisely. It's very important. Then we have to now find this part and this wall part. You can see this edge, it's over here. How did I get it? After connecting the this point up to the picture plane. So I connected with the station point through this point up to the picture plane. Then I got this wall edge which is over here. And for this wall edge, I did the same thing and it's over here. So we have to connect now these 2 points as well as the bottom 2 points. Cool. So we found our left wall as well as the right wall, the ceiling, the floor and the front wall. Let me darken it. Alright, you can see now I have darkened the perspective here. So this is my ceiling, floor, left wall and my right wall. And this is the front wall. Alright, so what is the next step? We have to find this window and this door. How to find it? You can see very clearly the window is with this wall, which is the wall that we are facing. This one. So I can get it from the elevation, the true height. And since I can see a relationship or the connection with the picture plane on this point as well as on these 2 points, what I'll do, I can bring this vertical line straight down since it's already touching with the picture plane. And I know it should be on this front wall. so that I can straight away mark the actual height or the true height of this window from this elevation. So this is the frame. Actually I marked just now the two inner frames, so it means this line and this line. Let me bring the actual height from the elevation for those two lines. One is over here and the other one is over here. Well, so I found my window edges is this, and now let me mark these two. Same thing, since it's touching with the picture plane, I can bring it straight down. This one also I can bring straight down. So how to find the height? It's from here, from the elevation. I'll highlight the window frame. All right, then the next step is finding this door. You can see the door is here and I have drawn just the height. The door height and the window height both are same. Now, so how to mark the actual height or the true height for the door? I have drawn it here. You can see. So our picture plane is here. So it means we have to mark the actual height on this wall. It means on this edge. Why on this edge? Because this door is located on this wall, which is right wall, and right wall starting from here. Since on this point picture plane is crossing, so I can mark the actual height or the true height on this wall, which is over here. Let me mark it. It's same like the window height, so it's this one. I'll highlight it like this. Since I already know the actual height or the true height for the door, I need to find the size of the door when the door is located here. It is not here, it's here. So what I have to do, I need to find this angle. How to find that one? I know the true height or the actual height of the door. This is my vanishing point. I will draw a line through this upper point because lower point is already connected. We know this is our floor edge, floor and wall edge. You can see I found the direction. Now what I have to do? I have to find this edge as well as this edge. I'll draw a line through this point up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, I'll drop it straight down. You can see I found here the location, vertical location. And now I have to locate on this point. Same thing. Let's connect with the station point up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, let's bring it straight down. We are done now. So this will be the door height. you can see the door height is bigger. Why is that? Because the picture plane is far away from the door. Now we have to find the frame as well. Let's connect the frame. Up to the picture plane. When it intersects, I will bring it down. And same thing for here. Actually our door frame I didn't draw, it is over here. So here this is with the upper frame, and lower frame it should be here. Let me mark on the actual height. So we found our door frame. All right, you can see we are done with the door frame. Now we have to find this distance. How to find it? So this is our frame, door frame. We have to connect this point with the station point up to the picture plane. When it intersects with the picture plane, we have to drop it down. So it's over here. Since we already know the frame and how to find this direction, we know the location, vertical location. Now we have to finalize this part. How this line will be in this 1 point perspective. So you can see in this 1 point perspective, this horizontal line, this horizontal line, this window horizontal line, all these horizontal lines are parallel, as well as all these vertical lines are parallel, even for the door, window, everywhere. So it means if this wall is here and this line, this part also should be parallel to these walls. So it means from this edge I'll draw a horizontal line parallel to this. Okay, same thing for the upper part. So when it intersects with this vertical line, which is here, over here, what we found here, we have to draw a line from the vanishing point through this point. Because in 1 point perspective, we have only one vanishing point. You will see it's this. Same thing for the upper part. Here we are done. So this is my floor. This is this right wall. This is my left wall. This is my ceiling, and this is my front wall. Hope it's clear. Let me darken the door as well. Hope it's clear for you. So we are done with the 1 point perspective. All right then. Thank you so much.